welcome back to my channel. Let's freaking go. Get your swords, your adamantium claws, your spandex superhero suits, because the long-awaited action buddy comedy film Deadpool Wolverine is finally in theaters. And what better way to get you excited to go see the film than to make Deadpool and Wolverine inspired decorative cookies. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. So let's put on our chef's coats and let's get baking.
To get started, bake a batch of your favorite sugar cookie recipe and cut them out into the shapes of a circle, a pair of shorts, a semi-rounded rectangle, and the best friend charms from the movie posters. The first one to decorate is the X-Men logo for Wolverine, because according to Deadpool, he is the X-Man. With black medium consistency royal icing with a size 3 round piping tip, I pipe the outline of the circle and an inner circle. Then I pipe the outline of the letter X inside the inner circle with a size 1 round piping tip. To prevent craters on your cookie, poke little holes in the shape you want to pipe them in and fill in the shape with black flood consistency royal icing using a size 1 piping tip to prevent the chances of any air bubbles. Allow the letter X to dry before poking more holes and filling in the negative space around it with red flood consistency royal icing and the outer circle with yellow flood consistency royal icing. The next cookie is for Deadpool, more importantly his butt. When decorating, I used a size 2 round piping tip for the medium consistency and a size 1 round piping tip for the flood consistency. I outlined and filled the shape of the side holster with the black royal icing. Next, I outlined his glorious butt and carefully filled the cookie with red royal icing, making sure the shape was visible. I made royal icing transfers of Deadpool's weapons of choice and allowed them to dry completely before applying them to the cookie. Finally, using the black royal icing, I piped the straps that appear on his legs to finish the look. The decorating for the semi-round rectangle cookie has a mix of Deadpool and Wolverine. I first spread some black royal icing on one side of the cookie and allowed it to dry completely. I then took some white royal icing to outline 3 ridges as adamantium claw marks, because chances are Deadpool got Wolverine mad, and filled in the rest of the cookie. After that dried, I added some red food coloring splatter and wrote DNW, a sweet bromance message that Deadpool definitely would have left. To finish off this cookie, I outlined and piped LFG, the Let's Frickin' Go line that has been used for the movie. The 2 final cookies are going to be the best friend charms that have been seen on the movie posters and other promotional work. With gray medium consistency royal icing with a size 3 round piping tip, I pipe the outline of the charms. Once the gray dries, channel your inner Deadpool and or Wolverine and poke holes throughout the cookies. Take the flood consistency royal icings in the white, black, red, and yellow and fill in the sections on the cookies. Finish these off by painting silver luster dust over the gray piping. And now you and your bestie are ready to enjoy the movie with these Deadpool and Wolverine decorative cookies.
And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and hit the notification button so you're up to date on the newest video. Also share this video with your friends and family and tell them to subscribe as well. It's totally free to subscribe and we have a lot of fun on this channel. I had a great time decorating these Deadpool and Wolverine inspired cookies and I hope you did as well. As much as I would love to give these cookies to the actual Wade and Logan, I am not America Chavez, thus I cannot travel through the multiverse, especially to the Marvel Cinematic Universe. But I can give a shout out to Hugh Jackman and Ryan Reynolds, the actors who play Wolverine and Deadpool in the movie. You guys did an amazing job. This movie was so funny, a lot of action, and you guys look great in those costumes. Thank you so much for making this movie. If you recreate these cookies or any other desserts I've made on this channel, please DM me at this Instagram account to get an awesome shout out. I would love to see your creations. Hope everyone's staying safe and well, enjoy your cookies, and have fun watching Deadpool Wolverine. Bye!